Welcome to the Atlassian Advantage podcast series. Here's our next episode, Atlassian License Sales, Benefits in Engaging an Atlassian Platinum Partner.
Hi, everyone. I'd like to thank you all for joining us again today for our latest podcast featuring Atlassian license sales and the benefits of buying through a partner versus buying through alternative options. My name is Sean O'Sullivan, the sales director of the Atlassian team at Carahsoft, and I'm joined today by the senior director of professional services for Contigix, Mick Flanagan. Mick, thank you so much today for joining us.
You're welcome. It's nice to be here.
We're happy to have you here. So, Mick, the team at Carahsoft, we have a lot of conversations with government customers surrounding the benefits of working with partners, versus buying through alternative options. So, for today, I'm going to start off by asking you a few questions. I think what we first want to cover, Mick, is, what are the purchasing avenues for Atlassian licenses that are available today?
Sure. So there's three options primarily utilized by customers today when buying licenses for their Atlassian products. You can purchase direct from Atlassian. You can either purchase from an Atlassian solution partner, or you can purchase from an authorized license reseller. While all three of these entities can sell you licenses generally at the same list price, there are some very specific distinctions between the three.